Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to solder a sterling silver jump ring with a chain on it without soldering the chain to the jump ring, which often happens when you're soldering a jump ring closed for a chain necklace. The chain is so much thinner often than the jump ring that by the time you finish actually soldering the jump ring, the chain has melted onto the jump ring, which is not good because over time it will become brittle and break. You want the chain to move freely around the jump ring, but not solder the chain to the jump ring, if you know what I mean. Let's get started. So right here I have my jump ring in the tweezers, and I have put my chain around on the jump ring, and I had it I made sure it was flush and completely closed. I'm dipping it into my thick boric acid and denatured alcohol mixture. You didn't see it, but I lit it up and let the flame burn out so that the boric acid powder and stuff would dry onto the chain. It creates a kind of fireproof, but fire resistant, more like it, protection so that the chain doesn't melt before it solders together right here. So now I'm just soldering it, and after you solder it, go ahead and quench it. Alright, now I'm just checking to make sure that it did not melt to the jump ring, and as you see, it's moving freely and it's not soldered to the jump ring. That's what I wanted.
So that's how you solder a jump ring closed with the chain on it without soldering the chain to the jump ring. I'm just continuing on here, creating a necklace for a customer that I had at the time. I'm putting my lobster clasp on it. This is a really important silversmithing skill. I mean, even if you just do basic, this is pretty basic soldering skills, but this is something that I personally had a problem with and couldn't find any videos on it, so I just wanted to make it for anybody who might be having this problem. So here, I already have one jump ring on the lobster clasp, and I'm putting another jump ring on the lobster clasp, and that's because I like that it gives you a little something extra to hold on to when you're opening the lobster clasp to put on the necklace. Here I'm closing my jump ring, and then I end up soldering each one of them. But this is like such a small thing, but it makes such an impact on the quality of the jewelry that you're creating. If it's done this way, it's like a lot better of a quality, and it'll last, forever. So click the screen now to see a video on how to remove fire scale naturally off of silver without chemicals. If you'd like to see a video on how to solder a jump ring closed with all the details and up close video of it, it's an awesome video, please click the screen now. To subscribe to my channel, click the screen now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not able to click on your screen because you're on a phone or something, just use the drop down menu below this video and it'll have a link to each of the videos that I'm talking about. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my channel for other tutorials. Comment, rate, subscribe, leave your comments, let me know of a video you might like me to do. And have a blessed day. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.